Jays players headed to Florida, continue talks to play into. To view the full article, click the first link in the description below. The Blue Jays are moving players to their spring training facility in Florida while they await word from the Canadian government about playing in Toronto amid the coronavirus pandemic. Ontario Premier Doug Ford said Monday that city, provincial and federal authorities kind of gave their approval, but the Blue Jays are looking for a letter of support from the federal government. Click here for more sports coverage on Fox News. COVA also said Dr. David Williams, Ontario's chief medical officer, requires a few tweaks to MLB's submitted plan to play, which health authorities have been reviewing. Ford said he was in talks with Blue Jays president Mark Shapiro all weekend. The team later issued a statement that said it is starting to move players and personnel to its training facility in Dunedin, Florida, to begin testing players. The team will either board a charter flight to Toronto to begin training under a modified quarantine, isolated from the general public, or remain in Florida to conduct training, the team said in a statement. The Blue Jays are hopeful to stage training camp and play regular season home games in Toronto and will continue to work through this possibility. A couple more teams had thought about resuming training at their facilities in Florida, but that possibility was dashed by a rise in coronavirus cases in the state. Most clubs intend to work out in their regular season ballparks. Anna Madison, a spokesman for the Public Health Agency of Canada, said the federal government continues to be in discussion with the Blue Jays. Madison said Toronto Public Health and Ontario Ministry of Health are also actively engaged with the Blue Jays. All parties are committed to mitigating the risks of the spread of COVID-19 in Canada, she said in an email. MLB requires an exemption from the restrictions that apply to the rest of Canada during the pandemic. Anyone entering Canada for non-essential reasons must self-isolate. To view the full article, click the first link in the description below.